For our next craft, take some yellow paint in your finger and then make a circle out of it on black circular chart paper. Do the same in red and then cut out the shape of a cat and stick it in the middle. This will form the mane of the lion. Add a little cute body and add a tail, some grass at the bottom with paper or paint, and then add some flowers to this grass. Sprinkle some paint on it for final touches. You may choose to frame it. For our next craft, take a circular canvas and fill it with blue and white paint in order to symbolize water. Add some grass on the top and then add little leaves to the grass. Take some white paint and then make some blobs in the bottom. This will form the bodies of the swans. Add some wings and there you have it. Take a circular sheet of paper or a canvas, add grass at the bottom in dark green and then add leaves in lighter green. You may also choose to add little flowers out of yellow or any other color that you may please. You may choose to add red for the center of these flowers. Dip your finger in brownish paint and add it all over to make little bees as well on the painting. For our next craft, take a circular canvas or a circular sheet of paper, dip your finger in any color paint. We have chosen purple, blue, green, and make patterns as such. In the center, add a little shape of bird and add eyes and a beak as well as some legs. At the bottom, add some grass and there you have yourself a little peacock. Thank you for watching.